Okay, family. Hope everybody is okay. I am fine. Today I'm gonna be doing another voiceover because I'm still having a lot of noise around the house and haven't been able to record as normally. But this is very simple, very similar to what I do. As you saw, I'm using a different pouring bowl today. That's the one with the elongated nose, and you saw that I'm putting some yellow paint in the bottom of that cup. That was the Artist Love, I think it was. I didn't remember. That second one is Soho, primary red. Uh, and then I'm gonna start layering down those paints one next to each other. Not like normally we do, that we only use one space and keep adding paint. No, I'm gonna add paint in different sides. You'll see what I mean now in the next one. The next paint is Artist Love Tallow Green with the pouring media that I use and no silicone. The first two also didn't have any silicone. You see that I put that paint to the side of the red one. Then I'm gonna be adding the next color. That is the Quinacridone from Blick, and again to the side of the previous one. Okay, I'm gonna be adding some white, and you will see why I never prepare. No, actually before the white, I was gonna the ultramarine also, and that's gonna be in the other side of the cup. I was telling you that the next color is gonna be white, and you'll see why I never prepare my paint on top of canvases. Normally I take the canvas out. You see, I made a mistake there. But that's okay. I'm gonna pour again next to one of the colors that I already mixed, and I put a nice quantity there because normally the white goes down. This one is regular white paint with the media and no silicone, but that's regular Artist Love white paint. Okay, so now I'm cleaning that mess that I did because my base color is not going to be white. You're gonna see in a moment what do I mean. So I cleaned that before adding the base color. This is a 16 by 20 canvas. I'm using my rotary table in order for me to move the canvas better. And here we go. So I'm back. Now we're gonna start the pouring. The pour. I start in the center, and then I start traveling with the paint. I have something in mind. I would like to have like a small negative space and maybe another color to contrast. So I have something in mind when I'm doing this. I keep, adding the paint in a traveling motion, not particular pattern or nothing. I just, follow my instinct and keep adding paint until end of the until the paint ends. Okay, so you're gonna see that I even scrape a little paint out of the jar. I try not to waste too much paint. I know that always, we do lose a lot of paint when we tilt, but I wanted to get rid of the excess paint that I had in the bowl, so I just scrape it and put it in one of those corners there. That's gonna be probably tilted anyway, so. Now, as I told you, you see that red cup in the left corner there? I had that cup when I was preparing the red earlier this morning. I filled the bottle and I still had some, so I put it away because I thought that I was gonna use it. So what I did was I added white to that cup and pour it to one of the sides. As I told you, I was looking, I'm thinking that, having like a negative space. So I wanted to use that paint. I did scrape that one too. And also I added a little more because I wanted the red to be a contrast color. While I'm doing that, let me let you know that the draw for the free paintings is gonna be done next Tuesday. I was gonna do it on Sunday, but I am gonna be traveling on Sunday, so it will be impossible for me. And then on Mondays, Christina Welch has her live transmission, so I don't wanna interrupt that. So I will be doing it on Tuesday. So I'm beginning to tilt, already going to that right upper corner, then to the center, then to the lower right corner. Try not to lose too much of that red there. Then going back to the left. Take care of that bottom part and then to the upper part. That's kind of what I was looking for. I was looking for, some lines, and I really like it. I had a concern on that right upper corner. I didn't want to leave that with the blue. I thought, maybe a yellow there will be like a contrast. So that's why I'm tilting that way to see if I get rid of the blue. And I came back a little to let that purple that happened by itself show a little more because I like it. I know it's hard to see from this angle, but a lot of tiny cells began to develop in that purple. Okay, that's maybe because of the interaction with the white paint, because the white paint, that has flotterol and water, so they mix together, and I think that's why they produce those tiny cells. So I was looking for no cells, but they always appear, when you less expect them. So I'm gonna fix that yellow a little there, and then it kind of finish nice, like it very much. Don't forget to like this video if you like it, subscribe. Always, it's important to let you guys know that in the description there is more information about my website, radacrylic.com. Also the Facebook page and the Instagram. If you want to go to those pages and like and follow, it will be great because I normally put more stuff on those pages than I normally do on posts that I do. Um, as I always tell you guys, don't be afraid. Keep doing, paintings. If you have any questions or something, let me know. You can ask in the comments. You can send me a note on the radacrylic.com. There's a section where you can comment, and I immediately receive the email, so I can answer you, backstage. Or if you want to comment here, you're more than welcome to. I'm trying to help everybody that needs help, uh, trying to pay it forward. I learned a lot from Christina and a few others, and you know, I think I need to do the same, right? I hope you had a lot of fun with this one. This is gonna be, in the drying period. Then we will be varnishing this one, and it's gonna be available in the store very soon. So, oh, I forgot to mention the other day, yesterday, I went to a pizzeria, very close to the area where the ice cream store that has my paintings is, and I left a message there to the owner, explaining that I was gonna drop by in the near future with some paints, because he had like 3 nice walls there where I can put some paintings there. So I think he liked the idea. So it's also good news. So I wanted to share with you. So this is the final close-up look. Here you will see the cells that I was telling you. The paint that got involved with the white, that's the area that you see little cells there. Everything else was pretty much super nice and a beautiful combination of colors, and I'm very happy to what I had. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Blessings.